guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jacqueline, and for today's video I'm going to be taking you guys along on my first day of online college classes. So with everything going on around the world, as many of you guys know, my university decided that it'd be best for us to continue our courses online for the remainder of the semester. So that is what we're doing. And if you guys don't know, I am a student at the University of Georgia, and I'm majoring in advertising with a minor in fashion merchandising. And right now I took a moment to just go through some syllabus and some emails from some professors. So I was just going through that and figuring out what I have due by the end of the week. There has definitely been a lot of changes with the workload and grading, so I'm just trying to check that out. And in the past I have taken an online class here and there, but I've never taken all of my classes online. So this is definitely something new for me. Don't know what to expect with every single professor having all of their work online. I definitely do better in person. I like going to class and sitting down in a classroom environment. I just find myself to do better in that way, but we'll just figure it out as we go along. But that's why I'm taking you guys along, so you guys can see my journey and how I end up doing with these online courses. It's definitely going to be a big learning curve for myself. So I'm just trying to figure everything out and not trying to stress out. I know this is a huge change, and I know a lot of you guys are also going through this. So I just want to, try to help you guys out if I possibly can with the way I'm approaching things. But like I said, I'm trying to figure this out as I go. So let's see how this ends up turning out. But right now I'm going to take my planner and actually plan out my day. I don't really want to go through with my monthly spread yet. I really want to just plan out today and then figure everything out as I go. And I'm actually going to be filming a separate video planning out April, just because there's a lot of new due dates and assignments that I have to complete during that month, since it is our last month of classes. So yeah. And if you guys didn't know, I had 3 weeks off, so I'm really trying to ease myself into this. One of those weeks was spring break. I went down to Florida with my roommates, and then those other 2 weeks were academic suspension. So right now I'm just trying to, like I said, figure all this out slowly but surely. I know I'll get there, and I'm not trying to stress out. So yeah, with that said, let's get started with this video. Okay, so I'm taking a quick little break to start prepping for lunch. I'm going to be making stuffed bell peppers. I've had them before. I made them one other time and they were absolutely delicious. So I really wanted to recreate the recipe and make them today. And I'm just going to be showing you guys me cooking really quickly. I'm gonna start doing that right now. So this is the final product. I made stuffed bell peppers with rice, and I'm going to drink that with some bubbly. But yeah, it looks really good.
So how was it?
Delicious. 10 out of 10.
Would recommend?
Okay, so I am back in my room right now, and I'm actually working on this assignment that I have due. It's a group project, so I'm doing my 2 parts right now for part 1, and it's about mints. So I'm just going through some data and gathering some information and research and applying it to my sections. But that's what I'm doing right now, and then let me see, I'm adding it on to, wait, where is it? I'm adding it on to our final project case right here. So yeah, that is what I'm currently working on, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay guys, so I've made it to my living room, and right now I'm about to continue working on that assignment that I was doing in my room, and I'm also going to be editing a bit just to take a little break and edit a video that I filmed a few days ago. So yeah. Thank you.